Common mistake is that never write this out. Cannot write this out. Don't write this out. No. X normally distributed 35 and 4.5 square. Okay, this one cannot. But what you can write it out is essentially expectation of X is 25. Variance of X is 4.5 square. Okay, random sample of 500, so N is 500. And if find the value of A correct to 3 decimal points, so since N is large, so bar X 4.5 square over 500. Wow, that's a lot, man. Approx by CLT. Inverse norm, you get the answer. Okay, then you just key in left bound. Inverse norm 1 minus 0.75 25 4.5 over 500 left bound, that will be 24.864. PSFR. Okay, good job. Then what do you call? Explain whether it's necessary to apply CLT. Of course, I just use CLT because X is not known to be normally distributed. Okay, this is in the first place. This is important. Okay, so that's how you understand this part.